And before we get to the more active part of the hurricane season, it's important to consider whether you should be carrying flood insurance for your home. With more on that, here's ABC 7's Jeff Butera.
I would say the biggest mistake is many Florida homeowners think they have flood coverage because they have hurricane coverage.
Mark Friedlander at the Insurance Information Institute says hurricane coverage only covers wind damage, like if the storm rips your roof off. But if your street floods, like this one did in Lee County during Irma, hurricane coverage would not cover you if the water seeps in and wrecks your house.
We all stayed on the bed for the entire night while it was just flooded all around us. Everything's floating.
A second key point. Yes, you want to have the right coverage for your house, but you also want to have enough coverage for your house.
Say this happened to your place.
I was in tears yesterday.
Repairing the house would be very costly, but having coverage only up to what you paid for the house might not be enough to repair it in today's cost.
So you want to make sure you are financially protected for major losses, for catastrophic losses.
Advice: call your agent, review your coverage, make sure you don't have gaps that leave you exposed. Oh, and keep this in mind. Under new Florida law, you now only get 2 years after a storm to file a claim instead of the current 3. So don't wait.
One last thing. Yes, worry about your house during a hurricane, but also worry about your car during a hurricane. Give you an example. During Hurricane Irma, I was here at the station, and as you can see, we don't have covered parking. So my car was out here in the parking lot during the storm. Friedlander says make sure your auto insurance policy includes comprehensive coverage. That's going to cover everything non-collision related, like damage from a hurricane. I'm Jeff Butera, ABC 7 News.